It's Quinky time. Let's learn and play. Hey there, children, gather round. We're heading to a magical sound, a land where letters love to groove, and every bite makes your body move. A is for acorn under the tree. B is for butterfly fluttering free. C is for clouds so fluffy and white. D is for daisies smiling so bright. E is for earth where flowers grow. F is for ferns in the forest below. Yay, yay, every day. Yay, yay, every day. G is for grass, tickling toes. H is for hill where the cool wind blows. I is for inchworm wiggling slow. J is for jaybird saying hello. K is for kite up in the sky. L is for ladybug crawling by. Yay, yay, every day. Yay, yay, every day. M is for mud, squishy and fun. N is for nest in the trees just begun. O is for oak tree, tall and wide. P is for pine cone tucked inside. Q is for quail in the quiet grass. R is for rainbow after the splash. Yay, yay, every day. Yay, yay, every day. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for tree, reaching the sky. U is for under leaves, bugs play. V is for vines that wiggle and sway. W is for wind, who whistles and sings. X is for X mark, where the beetle clings. Y is for yellow leaf falling down. Z is for zooming bees buzzing around. Yay, yay, every day. Yay, yay, every day.
Like, share, subscribe to Quinky.